Are you wondering if Amazon brand registry is really important? Is it really worth it? Here's an honest truth. Brand registry doesn't guarantee that the other sellers won't list your product, but it does provide protection for your product and brand. Signing up for brand registry is really important before starting selling on Amazon. This increases your chances by up to 99% of stopping other sellers from infringing on your product. Plus, you will gain access to a range of features that can benefit you and your Amazon business. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can sign up for brand registry and get a trademark. But before that, let us first talk about the different features you will have when you do brand registry. Let me explain why each of these features is important and how they can help you elevate your Amazon business. One feature is A+ content. On a typical Amazon product page, you will mostly find plain text description, but with A+ content, you can make your product listing more engaging and bring your brand to life by adding enhanced images, videos, product comparison charts, and more detailed information than just a description. This not only makes your listing more appealing, but also increases the likelihood of people clicking on it and ultimately buying your product. Another important feature is the ability to report sellers who copy your product or infringe on your intellectual property. With brand registry, you can notify Amazon of these violations, and as the verified brand owner, you can request the removal of these infringing products or listings. This helps protect your brand and ensures that only your legitimate products are sold on the platform. There are also seller incentives, such as getting a 5% cashback on the first $1 million in branded sales you make. That's actually $50,000 in total. Think about how big an amount that is. Moreover, another benefit of brand registry is that you will have the opportunity to enroll in the Vine program, which typically costs about $200. When you're brand registered, you get the program for free. Well, I bet you're wondering what a Vine program is. Vine program is where Amazon will find you people to have your product get 30 trusted reviews. Mind that these are not just simple reviews. These reviews are detailed and comprehensive, often including photos, which can significantly enhance your product listings, credibility, and appeal. Just imagine the value of receiving all these benefits for free. So another feature you can enjoy is receiving up to 2,000 free transparency codes, which equates to saving $100 when you send your products to Amazon. You can affix these transparency codes, certifying that your product is 100% authentic. This ensures that any product lacking these specific codes sent by anyone other than you may be flagged. If unauthorized sellers attempt to list your product on Amazon, rest assured that they won't succeed because they do not have transparency codes. Therefore, they are marked as non-authentic. Another advantage is gaining access to sponsored brands. This feature allows you to advertise on Amazon by displaying your product listing at the top of search results in a banner-style ad. This placement sets your product apart from others, significantly boosting visibility and potentially leading to increased sales. It is an effective way to enhance your product's exposure and attract more customers on Amazon. If you think that's all the features you'll enjoy, you're mistaken. There is actually more to come. But before I continue, make sure to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, I am Kamel Jamaliye with over a year of experience on Amazon. I'm here to provide you with valuable insights to thrive in the world of Amazon. Don't miss out. Subscribe to my channel for more tips for your Amazon FBA business and achieving success with your business. Now, when you get brand registry, you will also have the ability to set up an Amazon store. This allows you to create a customized storefront on the Amazon website. When customers click on your name, they are directed to an exclusive store where only your products are being showcased. This branded storefront provides a platform for customers to learn more about your brand. You can share your mission, include an About Us section, and provide other information that reinforces the authenticity of your product and your brand. ultimately boosting customers' trust and increasing your sales. Another feature is customer engagement, which is designed for brands aiming to build stronger customer relationships. It enables you to enhance retention and drive engagement through targeted email marketing campaigns. This tool helps you stay connected with your customers, developing loyalty and actually boosting your sales as well. Now, another thing is the new feature called Amazon Live. This feature enables brands to live stream on Amazon, offering real-time product demonstrations and promotions. It's a dynamic way to engage with customers and encourage immediate purchases directly, enhancing sales opportunities. Additionally, Brand Registry grants you access to the subscribe and save feature. This allows you to offer discounts to customers who subscribe to receive your product on a recurring basis, which as monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly, customers can choose their preferred frequency for receiving your product, making it convenient for them to automatically purchase and replenish items they regularly consume or use. This feature is particularly beneficial for sellers of consumable goods, ensuring consistent sales and customer satisfaction. You'll also gain access to Amazon Brand Analytics, providing in-depth insights and reports on your customer base. This includes details, search terms, reports, and revealing what potential customers are searching for to find your products. Moreover, you can analyze the demographics of your buyers and actually do more analysis. These tools enable you to understand not only who is purchasing your products, but also how they discover them. This information is important for optimizing your marketing strategies and enhancing your overall sales performance. When you sign up for Brand Registry, you will also gain access to Amazon Attribution, which is essential for tracking marketing efforts outside of Amazon. For instance, if you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, or other social media campaigns, Amazon Attribution allows you to monitor and measure the effectiveness of these ads. You can track how many users from these platforms visit your Amazon listing and convert into actual purchases, providing you insights into your cross-channel marketing performance. When it comes to boosting sales, the brand referral bonus is a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of this program. Believe me when I say that it can actually increase your earnings. Typically, when you sell a product on Amazon, you are charged a 15% referral fee. For example, if your product sells for $100, Amazon gets to keep $15. However, by enrolling in the brand referral bonus program through Brand Registry, this referral fee decreases to just 5%. Using the same $100 example, Amazon would only keep $5 instead of $15. This means more money in your pocket. One of the most important benefits of Brand Registry is its ability to protect you from hijackers. When selling on Amazon, there is always a risk that unauthorized sellers may interfere with your product listing. Brand Registry enables you to escalate such cases and assert your ownership of the brand quickly. This process provides strong evidence that you're the rightful brand owner, which speeds up the fixing of any problems such as this. Ultimately, Brand Registry helps deter hijackers from accessing your listing and making unauthorized changes, giving you more security and control over your products on Amazon. Last year alone, Brand Registry stopped over 2.5 million fraudulent sellers' accounts. When you join Brand Registry, you gain access to a dedicated team of over 12,000 Amazon employees committed to protecting you and providing you with an advantage over other sellers. So once again, if you're planning to sell on Amazon, signing up for Brand Registry is very important. So make sure to sign up for one. Now let me show you how to do this. First off, head over to brandservices.amazon.com. Then click on Get Started. There are actually 3 steps involved and 3 essential requirements. First and foremost, all brands applying for Brand Registry must possess a pending or registered text-based or image-based trademark. There are 2 main types of trademarks, image-based and text-based. An image-based trademark applies to logos or specific designs, while a text-based trademark pertains to words, regardless of their font style. For example, Coca-Cola is trademarked for their words themselves, regardless of the font used. Generally, obtaining an image-based trademark is easier than securing a text-based trademark. The second requirement is to verify that you own the trademark. The process is just simple. Amazon will send you an email with a verification code. Simply copy and paste this code to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the trademark. The third requirement is to have an Amazon seller account. I actually have an in-depth video regarding how to set up an Amazon Seller Central account. If you need assistance with this step, feel free to check out my video. Before we proceed to the next step, let me tell you how to get a trademark. There are several methods to acquire a trademark, but the most cost-effective way is to visit uspto.gov and file your own trademark. To begin, navigate to the Trademarks section and select Apply Online. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided to apply for your trademark. It is easier than you might expect. They ask straightforward questions such as the category in which your products are sold. After selecting your category, you will be prompted to upload your image. Applying online for your trademark typically costs around $275. If you prefer not to handle this process yourself, you can hire a lawyer for an additional fee, which can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s depending on the lawyer's rates, but you can get it for a few $100s pretty easily. While hiring a lawyer can be expensive, it is an option if you find it beneficial to have professional assistance with your trademark application process. You can simply search on Google for trademark lawyers, followed by your city's name. This search will provide you with a list of local trademark lawyers who specialize in this area. Reach out to several of them to compare prices and find out the one that suits your budget, while also being capable of assisting you effectively with obtaining your own trademark. Once your trademark application is underway, go back to Brand Registry page on Amazon, scroll down and select Enroll Now. Choose your country of operation, ensure you're logged in, and then proceed by clicking on Enroll a new brand for Brand Registry. This will initiate the enrollment process for your brand. There are several things you will need when applying for Brand Registry. One is your trademark number, which verifies your ownership of the brand. And the good news is you only need to file for your trademark. You do not have to have your trademark completed. As long as you have applied for a trademark, you can use your trademark number. Secondly, Amazon requires images that clearly display your brand's logo or other identifiable features of your product or its packaging. If your product isn't yet finalized, you can create a mock-up that accurately represents how it will appear once completed. If you have an established vendor relationship with Amazon, you will also need to provide your vendor code as part of the application process. Additionally, prepare a sample list of ASINs or Amazon Standard Identification Numbers that correspond to products listed under your brand on Amazon. Lastly, provide information regarding the countries where your products are distributed, indicating the geographic scope of your brand's presence and sales. Next is the brand information section. Enter the exact name that's registered on your trademark. This name should match what's officially recognized as your brand. Even if it's different from your seller account name or Amazon product title, using your trademarked brand name helps Amazon link your product correctly, ensuring better protection and visibility for your brand on the platform. Next, you will proceed to select the appropriate trademark office. If you've applied through the USPTO in the United States, choose United States from the options that are provided below. Enter your registration or serial number from your trademark application. Following this, upload a clear photo of your product displaying the brand prominently. Finally, click Next to continue the enrollment process. The next step is providing details about your selling account. You will need to select whether you operate as a seller, a vendor, or if neither applies. If you sell products directly to customers through Amazon Seller Central, you're likely to be a seller. If you sell your products to Amazon as a third party using Amazon Vendor Central, you will select Vendor. If neither of these apply to your situation, you can choose that option. This might be the case if you want to protect your products on Amazon but don't intend to sell directly through the platform. After selecting your Amazon selling account, scroll down to choose the category that best fits your product. Amazon will then prompt you to enter your top selling ASINs for each product category where your brand is present. You need to provide the ASIN numbers of products that represent the brand you are applying for brand registry. This helps Amazon verify the association between your brand and its products on their platform. All products sold on Amazon are assigned with a unique ASIN. It is crucial to have a product listing created before applying for brand registry. Even if your listing isn't fully optimized yet, having a basic listing is necessary. To proceed, log into your Amazon Seller Central account, locate the ASIN number of your product listing, and copy it. Then, when applying for brand registry, you will need to paste this ASIN number into the appropriate section. Amazon also suggests providing a URL to your brand's official website, which is optional but highly recommended if you already sell your product online. This step can make the brand registry process much easier. The next step involves providing information about your distribution channels. You will be asked whether your brand sells to distributors, followed by selecting where your products are distributed. You can also add additional distribution locations if applicable. The final question is about license information. If your brand licenses trademarks to others who manufacture products associated with your intellectual property, for companies like Disney that license their trademarks, you would select yes. However, for most viewers, the answer will likely be no. If for any reason you have sold licensing rights to your product after reviewing the contract, you would select yes, which would involve a slightly different process. Once you submit your application, approval may take a couple of weeks, and occasionally you might need to apply more than once. However, once approved, you will gain access to numerous new features. For example, you will unlock the A+ Content Manager, Vine, deals, coupons, promotions, and other tools that were previously inaccessible. These resources can significantly enhance your brand's presence and sales on Amazon. On top of that, within the brand section, you will discover brand analytics, brand protection, and more other features, all unlocked for you. One notable opportunity is the brand referral bonus, which I highly recommend applying for. It is an excellent way to maximize your brand's visibility and profitability on Amazon. Is brand registry really important? Is it really worth it? The answer is absolutely yes. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for the brand registry, transform your Amazon presence, and take your Amazon business to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, your success begins when you take the first steps. See you in the next video.